Pero naku, kahit pag ganito na ang katawan ko na wala ang ibang big man, ang mahiwagang shooting ko. Kaya yan ang tinuturo ko kila Apacible ngayon. Sa backcourt naman, syempre, no need for words. Proud in their hopes of getting past the first round in the playoffs this season. Sit up, Coach Chris.
Thank you so much, Mika. And, nice of you to mention. Absolutely.
Former NPBL player.
Yes.
Cebu?
Yeah, former Cebu Shark.
Yeah.
Sedorifa. Yes, sir.
We talk about touch. Sedorifa, a three-pointer in transition for Mindoro. Their third one in this game.
Akop. Labas kay Herald. Masyadong malakas sa kanyang 3 rebound. Andre Akop. Andre drives, drop pass. De Leon, blocked by Maga. Recto Bumuelo. Recto is fouled.
In the second game and hosting the third game, or host today, Gensan versus Quezon City. Si Fuentes.
Extreme masubok at kompleto appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Cruz for 3. Yes, sir.
They're hitting their first 6 shots to be perfect in this game. Now, Bulacan, the Generals, below 40% betting team at this point.
Okay.
Because you're from there, you cannot say Bacolod. Okay. I just want to make the point.
Well, actually, so, nung ano pa, meaning to what's happening.
Yeah, minus the meaning. I'm just saying.
Okay, I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Mika Abisamis.
Oo.
Yeah.
Baka pag sinabi ko ikaw, baka iwan mo na ako.
Pero babalik pa ang bola dito sa Mindoro even after the turnover.
Inside Medina. Heruela. Lumapit. Duligez is open. Heruela unable to score.